Okay, YouTube. Today's project, and any of my kids that's watching, we're gonna jack the Mustang up as much as I can to get two of them 8-inch cinder blocks underneath it. Take these rims off. Yes, they are free. It's just been sitting for 9-10 years. I'm gonna have to do some work. Isn't that cool? All in all, she's not too terribly bad. Don't need new brakes, new shocks. Cleaned up good. You gotta drop the tank, put a fuel pump in it. This is what the plan is for this evening, at least getting one side. That way I can inspect exactly what's going on. Yeah. As you can tell there, you're gonna need front rotors, brake calipers, probably put new wheel bearings and the whole shit and kabang in it. Alright, saw you later.